Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and tap on Home button. Then click on the other one, but this time use the square button. As you can see, after that, both of my apps are opened in the background. Select one of them that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and tap on the icon of it at the top. Then select Split Top and click on the other one. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. In order to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!